Baby cat, you stole my heart. What are you doing? Oh my god, you're so cute. The way you... I don't have words to tell. He's a really adorable. I got emotional cause hello, your name is from my side Oreo because your color is black and white. Yeah, for me you're Oreo cat, okay? Why are you looking at me like that? My god, your eye is so shining. I feel so scared. But though you are not scary, you are so adorable. Only your eyes blinking very bright. Maybe because of the light. Yeah, because of the light. Directly it comes to your eyes. Oh my god, taking rest. Did you eat the food? Where are your other friends? I have to see you on the way. For there on the top of this edge, you know, this side. Where are your friends? Where are they, baby? Bye bye. Cute. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye. Be safe, okay? I know your owner is around this area, I think. You just want to take a rest here. Bye-bye. You're so cute. I don't want to leave you. See you tomorrow. Same way, same time. If you'll be here. Oh my god. You feel irritated or what? Irritated? Okay. I'll go now. You irritate. Bye-bye. I think she will feel. Oh my god. He's playing around by himself. I think they already got this bush. There are so many nice, you know, flowers, the colorful, pink, yellows. I think another, they're gonna be crop another. I think another flowers maybe. They already cut down. Because whenever I always used to come this way, I used to see so many nice colorful flowers, but now nothing, just empty, like a desert, you know. Desert. Wow. Oh, another is here. I got it. You're here. Bye, baby cat. Guys, I need to stop the video because I have my other bags and it's quite heavy. Not my bag is heavy, I just bought stuff from the supermarket nearby when I drop from the ferry, so I need to handle it. I need to balance it. So guys, see you soon. This is for today. Bye.